Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to solve Maths Cambridge in June 07, paper 2. Question 1. Put these numbers in order from lowest to highest. So you have to find the smallest number. So it is 1757. That is smaller than 2018. And this smaller than 2187, and then it's smaller than 2508, and it's smaller than 2575. Question 2. Round 950 to a nearest hundred. Now round to a nearest hundred, that means the number will be here. It is either 900 or 1000. So the answer is 950. You can round up to 1000. Now remember, if it is equal or bigger than 950, then the number you round up will increase and it becomes 1000. Question 3. Shahid is given money by his family. He gets 1.50 from his father, $1.50 from his mother, and $0.75 from his sister. How much money does he get all together? So here you just add up all the money together. So you have 1.50 plus 1.50 plus 0.75 equal to $3.75. B. Pharaoh buys a CD for $8.95. He pays with a $10 note. How much change does he get? Now, change, that means he will receive the money back. So you will get 10 minus 8.95 equal $1.05. Question 4. Marek needs 20 meters of rope to make a rope ladder. The rope costs $2.75 per meter. How much will 20 meters of rope cost? So $2.75 per meter. If you need $20, you just take 2.75 multiplied by 20 equal $55. Question 5. Ashok did a survey on favorite food. His results are shown in this Venn diagram. Favorite food. So this is the result. So the first circle here is a person that eating curry, and the second circle here is a person eating pizza. How many children chose curry as their favorite food? So you can see here, they have 3 parts. So this part is the people that only like curry. This part is the intertwine between curry and the pizza. So this represents the number of people that like both curry and pizza. This part represents people that only like pizza. And this 17 represents the number of people that don't like curry or pizza. So in here you can see 6 is the number of people that only like curry, plus 18 is the number of people that like both curry and pizza. So you get 24 children. Question 6. Which of these shapes has only one line of symmetry? A, B, C, D, E. So the line of symmetry is the line that separates the shape into 2 parts, and then when you fold it up together, it can line on each other nicely. So here they ask for only one lap symmetry. So it is C. Because A, you have many lines here, 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 3 lines. D, you have a lot of lines. E, you also have a lot of lines. So the answer is C. Question 7. Lilia walks from the dentist to the bus station. In which direction does she walk? So this is the dentist and she walked to the bus station. Now the key point in this question is that you have to remember here the direction. So on your right hand, top is north, bottom is south. On your right hand is east, on your left hand is west. So you can see the Genesis walk to the bus station. So the direction is west. Question 8. Farah and her mother go shopping. Farah's mother says, it's 9:30. I meet you here at 11:45. How much time did Farah have to shop? So 9:30, that means 9:30. 11:45, that means it is 11:45. So you just take the latest time minus the earliest time. So 11.45 minus 9.30 equal 2.15 hours. So 2 hours and 15 minutes. Question 9. What is the value of the 7 in 21.87? Now look at this. So this part represent whole number. 1 represent units. 2 represent tenth. And the number that behind the decimal point, this one we call it tens. So you can see it has a th. Tens. So 7 will be hundreds. Okay? So 7 is hundreds. Question 10. Syed packs 175 toy aliens into boxes. He has 9 boxes. He packed the same number of aliens into each box. A. How many aliens are in each box? B. How many are left over? So you can see that because the aliens are separated into equal number into each box, so you just take 175 divide 9 equal 19 aliens. And then you still see that this division you have the remainder of 4. This remainder of 4 is that the 4 aliens left over. Question 11. Mazura buys new furniture for her bedroom. A. How much does she pay altogether? B. The shop offers her a 10% discount on the total cost. How much money does she save? Round to the nearest cent. So the bed costs $149.50. Mattress costs $85.59. Shelves cost $34.99. Desk cost $55. Chair cost $49.99. So the first one, you just add up all this number and then you get the cost for all the items. So it is 374.97 cents. B. Now the shop offers her a 10% discount. So first we find out how much the 10% is. So I take 374.97 multiplied by 10%, that means 10 over 100 parts. So it equal to 37.497. Now, so here, this 10%, that means she doesn't have to pay. So this is the amount of money that she saved. So I have to round it off to the nearest cent. So 497, I can round it up to 50 cents. The answer is $37.50. Question 12. Carrie is on her swing. The angle increased by 3 degrees every time the seat swings. The seat is now at the angle of 42 degrees from vertical. A. How many times has the seat swung? Karin stops going higher after 30 more swings. B. What angle is the swing at now? So at the beginning, Carrie is here. It is 0 degree. And every time she swings, the degree increased by 3 degrees. And right now, she is at 42 degrees. So the number of times that she has swung is 42 divided 3 equals 14 times. And then Carrie continued to swing 13 more times. So what is the final angle here? So first we find out the angle increased after 13 more swings, which is 13 multiplied by 3 degrees equal 39 degrees. Then we take this angle 42 plus 39 equal 81 degrees. So the final angle at the swing is 81 degrees. Question 13. Oscar asks some friends about music and film. He puts his results in a carrot diagram. Favorite types: comedy films, action films, rock music, disco music. A. How many children like rock music? B. How many more children prefer comedy films to action films? Now, for the carrot diagram, in each box here, they have two conditions. So the first condition is here, is on the column. So the second condition is on the row. For example, the number 7 here means the people, they like rock music. They also like comedy films. So how many children like rock music? So just look at the column of the rock music. Then you get 7 plus 6 equal 13 children. B. How many more children prefer comedy films to action films? So comedy films is here, this row, and the action film is here, this row. So I will have 7 plus 12 minus 6 plus 3. So it is equal to 19 minus 9 equal to 10 children. Question 14. Which of these triangles is equilateral? Underline your answer. So equilateral. Equi means equal. Lateral means like a side. That means all the sides are equal. So this one, can you see? 3 of its sides are equal. And this one, it looks quite equal. 3 of its sides are equal. Question 15. He spins a spinner. It points to 40. Where will it point after it turns anti-clockwise 1 right angle? So here there are two keywords. The first one is anti-clockwise, and the second one is right angle. Anti-clockwise, that means move against the direction of the clock. So that means it will go in this direction. Right angle means 90 degrees. So here it will move to this. Okay. Question 16. Look at this shape. So this is the shape. Okay. What is the perimeter of the shape? Now, the perimeter is the sum of all the sides of the shape. So the first thing is that we have to add up all the sides. So 7.5 plus 12 plus 3.5 plus 3 plus this size. This is unknown, but you know that 3.5 plus this one equals 7.5. So this side will be 4 plus 9 equals 39 centimeter. Or if you are sharp eyes, you can see that this side when it moves to here, this side when it moves to here, then it can complete a rectangle. Then you can just use the rectangle formula to find the perimeter. That is 7.5 plus 12 bracket multiplied by 2. You also will get 39 centimeter. B. What is the area of the shape? Give your answer with the correct units. So here you have to separate this into two parts, two rectangles. So the first rectangle is this rectangle. You can take the area is 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7.5 plus this small rectangle, which is 3 multiplied by 3.5. So you get 78. Don't forget the unit is centimeter square because you multiply 2 centimeters together. Question 17. Put these fractions in order from the largest to the smallest. So this is the fraction. So here, or you can first you can change this mixed number into fraction, and then actually it's quite simple, so you can guess. Or if you cannot guess, you have to change all this into equal denominator. So here the answer will be 13 over 5 greater than 4 over 5 greater than 5 over 10 greater than 2 over 5 greater than 2 over 10. Question 18. Complete this table. Fraction, decimal, 1 over 5, 0.40, 4 over 5. So 1 over 5, so 0.40. This is 4 over 10, and you simplify, you will get 2 over 5. 1 over 5 is 2 over 10, so equal to 0.20. 4 over 5, so equal to 8 over 10, equal to 0.80. Question 19. Calculation. Bracket 46 multiplied by 98 bracket plus bracket 32 multiplied by 61 bracket. So this one you just simply do the calculation. So you will get this answer 4,508 plus 1,952. So you will get 6,416. Question 20. A. Finish this number sequence. 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. B. Explain how you work out the answer. Now, for many of you, you can make a mistake in here. You might think that 2 to 3 is plus 1, 3 to 5 is plus 2, 5 to 8 is plus 3. And then if you don't check, you thought that it is +4 +5, but actually it's not working, because if 8 + 4 is 12, so the rule will be 2 + 3 = 5, 3 + 5 = 8, 5 + 8 = 13, 8 + 13 = 21, 13 + 21 = 34. B. Explain how you work out the answer. So like I said, the first two terms add together to get the third term. Question 21. Anisha can pick 7 boxes of strawberries in 30 minutes. Joshua can pick 5 boxes of strawberries in 30 minutes. They both pick strawberries for 2 hours. How many more boxes has Anisha picked than Joshua? So here the keyword will be pick strawberry for 2 hours, and then you get 30 minutes, you get Anisha get 7 boxes, 30 minutes Joshua get 5 boxes. So you can see that here Anisha gets 7 multiplied by the hour. You can change to the minutes, which is 120, and divide by 30, so we get 28 boxes. Joshua is 5 multiplied by same 120 divided by 30 minutes, so equal to 4. So 5 multiplied by 4 with 20 boxes. So the box that Anisha picked more than Joshua, just take 28 minus 20 equal 8 boxes. Question 22. Terry plays golf for 7 days. Here are her scores: 79, 81, 76, 73, 80, 77, 80. What is Terry's mean score? Now, mean here, it means you have to add up all this number and divide by the time it played. So simply you just take 79 plus 81 plus 76 plus 73 plus 80 plus 77 plus 80, then divide by 7 equals 78. Now, for some of you who has problem with the addition of many number, you can pair up the number so that these two number and here, when they add up, become 10. Okay, so the pair will be 79 plus 81, 73 plus 77, and then these two singular, we put it next to each other, 80 plus 80, and finally this stay alone is 76. Question 23. Draw shape A after a translation of -4, -4. 4 squares to the left and 4 squares down. So this is the shape. So translation means this shape we all move together. So first it move 4 to the left. Left is here. Okay. So move to this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. And move down 4 square. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The top must be here. Right? So this is the location of the new shape. Question 24. Put a tick correct by the line that is perpendicular to Z. G. So perpendicular, you have to remember, perpendicular line is the line that makes 90 degrees with another line. Okay. Parallel lines is two lines that never meet each other. So in this case, the perpendicular to Z is A. Question 25. Baima does a survey on people's age. The results are shown on this graph. Age of people living in Lagos Road. Okay, number of people, age. So the age of people now, they are within the range from 0 to 9 is here, from 10 to 19 is here, from 20 to 29 is here, from 30 to 39 is here, from 40 to 49 is here, from 50 to 59 is here. So how many people are under 10 years old? Under 10 years old is 0 and 9. So from here you multiply here. The answer will be 23 people. B. How many people are between 30 and 50 years old? So 30 to 50, that means 30 to 39 is okay. 40 to 49 is okay. 50 to 59, no, because it is over 50 years old. So first I will plot the horizontal lines on the column 30 to 39, and second I will plot the horizontal lines on the column 40 to 49. So I will get 13, here is 13 plus 19 equal 32 people. Question 26. Look at the pattern on the grid below. So this is the pattern. A. Complete the line pattern to make it symmetrical using the mirror line. Now, like I said before, so symmetrical, that means it's like the hand. So you will put your hand like this, and this one will be your mirror line, and then you will reflect like this. So the shape will be like this. Okay, so imagine it now, and the shape can be like this. So here, 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 here. B. Reflect point A to in the mirror line. So point A. So to do the reflection, first you will draw the line perpendicular to the mirror line, and then you will extend that line, and then you will measure the length between this line and the length between this line. When they are equal, so this is the point of the image. So A will be reflected on this point. Question 7. Measure angle A. So angle A here. So like I say, many of you, when you go into the exams, you forget to bring the projector, which is to measure the degree, but not to be afraid. So first you can draw the 90 degree here, and then you can estimate. Can you see? This angle is very big. This angle is very small compared to 90 degree. So it probably is 80 degree. B. Measure angle B. This angle. So you can do my method. Extend this one out and draw a 90 degree angle with here. Now you can see that this angle is extra one. Then you can compare with the bigger angle, which is 90 degree. So this one probably is 30 degree because it's about 1/3 of this big angle. So you get 90 plus 30 equal 120 degree. So in this kind of question, you don't have to give the accurate answer because the exam is never going to check whether you measure it correctly. So if you give an answer that is very close to the correct answer, you will get a mark. Okay? So that is for today. Thank you.